Hello everyone, Scott here back with another video, and today I'm with
Crib.
and so we are going to be playing some more Life. Alright, so you can see right here, objective, do not disturb. Come on. And let's both.
So we don't touch the floor, right?
Yeah. I played this a few times, so he already knows. He played this, so he could get to me.
A little bit.
Whoa!
Okay.
Oh no!
No!
Oh no! It starts you at the beginning. Ah no! Help! Ah no! Not again!
Not again!
My mama! Ah! Okay. Oh God! What? I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. If you guys saw that on my camera, then you would see. Wow! No! Not again!
Over here. Yes, the key.
I need to get the key! Dude, did you get through the door?
Fuck! Come on.
Wait, not yet! Wait for me!
What? I have to get the key once it closes. No! It closed.
Alright, so I need Flamey, Pingu, Bottle, and SpongeBob and Rattle.
Come on. Wait for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for you. Hold on. I'm on level 3, guys. He's on level 2 because he has to make it through all that thing again, but he still got the key. Do you? So you can just go right to the door.
Damn it. Oh yeah. YouTubers, excuse my language.
Yeah, if you guys hear him, just do not worry about it. His language. Oh, hi, Flamey. Hi, Sponge. And I need Pingu and Rattle. But
Go.
Hedgie,
So I need
do you need?
tablet, a rattle, Hedgie.
Hey, I know where the rat. I need a bottle. Got a bottle. Now I need a Rattle. Rattle?
Yeah, there it is.
Did you find the Rattle?
Hey, that's the all the Roblox tablet.
Oh, hi, Rattle.
Oh, hi, Rattle.
Alright, so I need SpongeBob and Flamey and Pingu.
I need SpongeBob.
He's all the way downstairs. But I got SpongeBob, now I need Flamey.
Oh, Flamey. I didn't see him.
He's up here.
So now I need a Hedgie. I need a hedgehog.
Oh, it's in the worst spot. Back here.
Where is it?
It's downstairs. Alright. I'm probably gonna find Pink. It's downstairs. Hedgie's downstairs behind that cabinet.
Oh, dude, I found Pengy.
Where? Where? Meh. Where? That's
It's in the room.
what's wrong?
In the
I
closet.
oh. Alright, dude. Hedgie's downstairs behind the cabinet.
Oh.
Have you found him? Have you found him?
Yep, there you go. Make it through the cafeteria.
Wait, how did you get there?
I don't know, I just spawned there.
Oh, wait there. Guys, his game glitched out and it made him go to level 5. So that was weird. Alright, here we go, I'm here.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I probably can't film through all this, he can.
Damn it.
This is easy! Dude, how did you not make it through this? Ooh!
I'm not even touching the milk. What the heck?
It's a milkshake, or milk, whatever it is. It's melted.
I'm literally not even touching it.
Here guys, listen to this music.
Okay,
Turn up your volume.
make it through the scope. Oh,
Make it through puberty. Oh, hi, Rubble.
yo.
I'm your teen buddy. Okay?
You know what this is, right?
Yeah. Oh, shoot!
Don't die by the hair.
The hairs of your death. Oh! Puberty can kill you, kids.
Jake!
What?
Don't die by the hair. Here. You can get off. The fuse will kill you. Why does calm music start playing?
It's just you turned it up. Wait, dude, you made it through it.
No, I almost made it.
You're gonna need to jump if you want to get through. How did I touch that one? Oh. No. No. I actually flung you, dude. I
I hope we don't need, I hope we don't need to make a part 2 of this.
Why? I'm probably gonna have to make a part 2.
Yeah, probably. Come on. Oh.
Cause my maximum.
Make it. You done made it.
I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Yes!
Go.
Let's hear the music.
Make sure it's not copyright.
What was that? It was copyright, dude, but what?
We don't want to get copyrighted.
Yeah. Sit your finals. What is the capital of France? He knows I don't know how to spell acne. Paris. What is
4 multiplied by 4?
16? Oh, you guessed it! It was 16. It was 16.
Did you see the thing about Logan Paul? Oh. What ratings do you think you understand? If you don't want, sorry, or eat too much sugar. I know what they are, but like, I don't
It's acne. Acne.
The police's team program name. Oh, I know what it is. Family Guy.
Yeah.
Dirt King.
Oh, I was about to guess that, dude.
Okay, so now we have to get married. Do you take this person to be lawfully wedded? Right? I don't.
Let's go to college.
But then,
Go to college.
let's go to fundage. What is 8 multiplied by 8?
19? 17?
64. You go through. I mean, no, 64. Wait, what? Okay.
What bone?
Located on epicenter of the rib cage. Hold on. Let me dig. Oh yeah, I forgot.
One more time. What is... Whoa! You do this one. I don't know this one. Dude, do you have Dance Move added as your friend?
No. What is the green pigment found in plants?
Called.
There you go.
Oh, that one's pretty hard to spell though. Name a common
Yeah, name it.
greenhouse gas containing only hydrogen.
And oxygen. These are actually pretty hard answers, actually, though.
Yeah. Not yet. We actually had to say it 3 or 4 times.
What's this?
H-G-E. That's not it.